trend-setting edition of the News Hour Tonight. 15,000 tweets and counting on debate one. On this one already 4,000 tweets on Back to Jungle Raj. And on the debate tonight, facing off, GVL Narasimha Rao facing off with Nikhil Mandal, BJP versus JDU. RSS's Rakesh Sinha facing off with the RJD's Ashok Sinha. MR Venkatesh leans towards the BJP on this one. And Vikram Singh, former DGP Uttar Pradesh. Let the debate begin. Syed Asim Wakar will join us in another 10 minutes. He represents the Samajwadi Party, which is some kind of a strategic alliance as far as I'm concerned with the RJD. Nikhil Mandal, can you hear me?
Yes.
जी मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ that a convicted murderer walks out on bail and he is welcomed with open arms by a man called Bunty. Bunty killed a senior journalist and is supposed to be missing. So understand, an absconding accused in the murder of a journalist in broad daylight is laying a red carpet for another criminal in your city under the nose of your police and your government. An absconding accused in the murder of a journalist in broad daylight has the courage to walk up to the edge of Bhagalpur jail. The whole police force is there and one criminal welcomes another, one murderer welcomes another, and two of these murderers are supposed to be missing but they are welcoming each other. The tamasha is going on. ये क्या सरकार है? This is not Jungle Raj. Mafia Raj भी कहना मुश्किल है इसको. This is worse than Jungle Raj.
नहीं.
No, have you no shame?
इस तरह के शब्दों का
नहीं शब्दों के बारे में आप छोड़ दीजिए. नहीं शब्दों के बारे में छोड़ दीजिए. आप तथ्यों पे मुझे जवाब दीजिए. तथ्यों पे जवाब दीजिए. मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि वहाँ पे एक मर्डरर को दो मर्डरर वेलकम कर रहे हैं. ये दो मर्डरर मिसिंग हैं. राकेश सिन्हा कुछ कह रहे हैं आपको. राकेश सिन्हा.
जंगल राज.
Yes, Rakesh Sinha.
No, I am telling him he is objecting your words. I am telling him that it is unbecoming of Republic of Bihar. Arvind N. Das was a great journalist. Late Arvind N. Das used for Bihar, Republic of Bihar. And it is under Nitish and Lalu, it is unbecoming Republic of Bihar. We had great legacy of Chanakya and Chandragupta. And in place of Chanakya and Chandragupta, who are? Lalu and Nitish. They are ruling. Entire civil society has been challenged. The law and order machinery has been sabotaged. None other than the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar. And JDU cannot escape from the responsibility. I say this is a scripted drama by Nitish and Lalu. Without Nitish consent, it can't
how can you ask Nitish?
If Nitish is not...
how can you blame Nitish Kumar for all this happening?
He should resign.
I want to know, how can you blame Nitish Kumar for all this which is going for last 3 days?
It is a scripted drama. He is blaming Nitish Kumar because...
How can you prove? There was
a speedy trial for 6 months.
So who
is responsible not for a speedy trial in the court?
No.
Judiciary is a separate body.
What was the role
Listen
of
to us. Judiciary is a separate body and government, Bihar government is a separate body.
One minute, just 1 minute. Nikhil, you are confused. Rakesh Sinha, 1 minute. Nikhil, you are slightly confused. Please understand. I think you don't know the facts. Somebody was murdered. That somebody was Rajiv Ranjan, a senior journalist from Siwan. The murder took place during the peak hours of the evening at 8 p.m. It took place in the Phal Mandi near Siwan station, half a kilometer from the town police station. The murder which was carried out, this journalist was shot in close proximity. One was shot to the forehead and another in his neck. Professional shooters were hired. Are you following me so far, Nikhil? Are you understanding?
Yes.
Okay, good. Because I sometimes...
Yes.
Now, the reason he was killed is because he took on Shahabuddin. Okay? The reason he was killed was because he took on Shahabuddin. And there is a person called Laddan Mia, some kind of a villainous character, who is very close to Shahabuddin. He carried out the murder. He took the supari. The killers, now on the day Shahabuddin comes out, the killers of the journalist come out and welcome him. I have the pictures with me. What are you talking about? These people are out in the open now in Bihar. This is more than Jungle Raj. People, please see this. Ashok Sinha, are you seeing this? They are out in the open. The murderers, killers, rapists are all out in the open. खुला पूरी छूट है उनको. No, पूरी छूट है उनको.
That's all. We got the question. We got the question. Just listen to us also.
Yeah.
First one, we admit that this was failure of police.
Police?
That they couldn't arrest this person. It may be oversight or anything like that, but I admit it was failure of police.
No,
Oversight.
But for that, if you will say,
What a
if
failure of the Chief Minister of Bihar.
Kumar,
Nitish must resign. Nitish must resign.
oh, just
what's Emad.
oversight, sir. Listen to me.
Can I?
What? Nitish Kumar
Emad and Ashok Sinha.
not the police officer.
Oversight of
He is
the
the police officer who is.
No, what action have you taken on the police then? What action have you taken?
Ashok Sinha ji, you are defending some indefensible.
Only this.
It is indefensible case.
1 second, these two please, audio. MR continue.
Either you speak or let me finish it.
Why do you defend?
Either you.
No, you please answer.
Just listen me.
My question.
Listen to me.
This is-
Just listen to me.
See, I'm not in Bihar.
All absurd question. Just
I'm not in Bihar.
Arnav, listen
I'm
to
not
me
in Bihar.
also.
Don't.
Arnav,
No,
I am
please
just
understand,
putting a
I'm not in
counter
Bihar.
question.
Threatened by.
You will understand the answer.
No, please
You will know
understand.
the answer. Let me
I'm
answer it. Let me answer
No,
it. You please try to listen to me. You please try to listen to me.
You please tell me how are you? How is it that the police? How is it that the police did a command performance and
How
did not take
come
cognizance of the
you
person?
will say that
How
Nitish
is it that the
Kumar
police did
responsible?
it? They did it
You see,
because of political
you see,
compulsions and out of
3,000 people
clear
were
directions
killed
of your
in
chief minister.
Just listen to me.
No,
3,000
please understand
people
that the
were
police
killed
did
in
not
Gujarat.
do it.
Where is Narendra Modi responsible for all the
We
things?
are discussing your
Is
case,
Narendra
which
Modi
is
responsible for all the murders?
law and order.
Then listen to me.
Every term.
3,000 people
No,
were
this-
killed in.
No,
3,000 people were killed in
please
Gujarat.
understand.
Is Narendra
There
Modi,
was
the
law and
chief
order.
minister,
There
then chief
was-
minister of Gujarat, responsible for it?
That is why he was
If Narendra Modi is responsible for it,
now if that is your
then
yardstick,
Nitish Kumar is responsible
is
as well.
equivalent to Narendra
But
Modi.
you have to
let him keep
check
quiet.
call
Morality.
that Narendra
You
Modi
have
is
to
not at all
understand
concerned in it.
Listen,
Then why do you
anybody
say
else, let
that
him not
Nitish
preach
Kumar is to be
morality.
blamed for
Okay,
it?
one second.
Let him not preach morality.
No,
No, no, no.
One second.
No, because you are spreading-
Ashok Sinha, 1 minute. Ashok Sinha.
You are spreading lies. No. How come I will
Ashok
allow
Sinha.
you to spread the lie?
Ashok
No,
Sinha,
we
listen to
can't
me.
allow you.
Your police,
We can't allow you
police
to spread
is
lies.
only doing a command performance.
Ashok Sinha, listen to me. Ashok Sinha, my
We
question
can't
is...
allow you to spread lie through these times now. You just listen to me.
Mr. Ashok Sinha,
For the
what
failure
lie
of
am I
Narendra
spreading?
Modi.
I am
What
not
lie am I
obligation
spreading? I
to
take
listen to
offense.
you.
1 second. 1 second.
Please understand, I will
You
not
can't make
listen
an
to you.
allegation like this and get away.
No,
1 second.
no.
No, Mr. Ashok Sinha. Mr. Ashok Sinha, Mr. Ashok Sinha, you are accusing me of lying.
Chief Minister of Gujarat
Mr. Ashok
was responsible for that.
Mr. Ashok Sinha,
For which he was denied
Mr.
visa.
Sinha.
You accept that there is a law and order situation like Gujarat in Bihar.
Mr. Sinha,
You accept there is a law and order problem like Gujarat in 2002. Is that what you are driving
minute. Ashok Sinha, a minute.
in Gujarat.
Ashok
Do you?
Sinha,
No. Arnav, listen to me. Listen to
Ashok
my
Sinha, you have to
argument.
listen to me, please. You
If
called me a
you
liar. I've got
admit
to. At this
through
point,
your channel
you can't
that
call me a liar and get away with
people
it.
who were killed in Gujarat
Mr.
was done it at the behest of Narendra
Ashok
Modi.
Sinha, Mr. Ashok
Do you admit it?
Mr. Ashok
If
Sinha,
you admit that he was there murdered,
May I please, Mr. Ashok Sinha, can I
Sir, that he has been cleared by the court
Mr.
of
Sinha, no,
law.
I'm
And don't
only
make
speaking
your
to Mr.
spectacle of yourself.
Sinha. MR, take a break, please.
Yes,
I'm saying something to you, Mr. Sinha. Mr.
you are
Sinha,
putting one
Mr.
argument
Sinha, will you listen to me?
and placing it in
Mr. Sinha,
our mouth.
Mr. Sinha, listen. It is possible,
Yes.
it is possible, and I'm not shouting at you, but hear me. It is possible that to overstate your case deliberately to try and confuse the viewer or just to appear to be aggressive, you have accused me of lying.
How?
Now, Mr. Sinha, please let me complete my sentence. You've accused me of lying.
Yes.
I'd say one thing to you, Mr. Sinha. You can take that back. If you don't take that back, I'm going to have to question you right now. You take that back or I'll question you, okay? Then we decide whether you're lying or I'm lying, with the greatest of respect to you. I'm not calling
Yes.
you a liar,
Yes,
but
yes.
it's possible that you may have committed some kind of a indiscretion. Understand this. These pictures don't lie. You look at the pictures carefully. You have a TV set close to you. I don't know where you're sitting. We have a TV set close to you, Mr. Sinha. If you have a TV set...
But for that I have told that this is failure of police.
No, but Mr. Sinha, listen.
I have admitted
Mr. Sinha,
that this was police failure.
Mr. Sinha, I wonder if this is only a case of incompetence on the part of the Bihar police, or there is more to the presence of Bunty next to Shahabuddin that meets the eye. Bunty is absconding. Okay. If he is absconding, then why is he there to welcome Shahabuddin? Point number one. He's a killer, he's a murderer, he's absconding. If he's close to Shahabuddin, which means Shahabuddin possibly is close to him, and he's close to a person who killed a journalist in his own constituency. Right? What other point is, if he's out in the open, which means he doesn't give a damn for Nitish Kumar, the government, the police, anybody. Today, Jungle Raj is when murderers and absconders are not scared to come out in the open. Do you understand? You ought to realize what kind of a situation you've created in your state. You
that in such a big...
Yes.
No,
now, Mr. Sinha, calm down. Now, Mr. Sinha, calm down. Mr. Sinha, calm down. Bunty's been declared absconding. Was he really evading the police at all when he could freely make his way to the Bhagalpur jail in a city that has 31 police stations? You accuse me of lying with the facts. I'm presenting the facts to you, sir. You don't know what's going on in your own state. The fact of the matter is Bunty is absconding, but is he evading the police when he could freely, without fear, go to Bhagalpur jail without any apprehension of being caught by the Bihar police? There are 67,848 policemen in Bihar, and this man goes around walking. He's a killer of journalists. You want to turn around when I'm asking you questions and call me a liar, then answer my questions tonight, Mr. Ashok Sinha. Clearly you're caught in the wrong.
I am not defending. I am not defending the person whom you are highlighting. I am not defending the person whom you are highlighting.
Is he a political
Why you are highlighting him?
Is he a political
Why you are highlighting him?
He's a murderer, political protectee. Are your politicians protecting murderers?
No. Then again, why
are your politicians protecting murderers?
3,000 people were killed in Gujarat. Is Narendra Modi
where do you bring Gujarat into this?
For it.
Well,
GVL.
Arnab, Lalu knows what he's doing best. Criminalizing Bihar, roaming around with criminals, and letting this kind of violence, letting it loose on people of Bihar. It is actually Nitish Kumar who has done a complete U-turn. In 2005, when we came to power, we locked up all criminals in jail. Now, Lalu is the super chief minister of Bihar, and Lalu has presided over several massacres of even Muslims in Bihar. I think he has used religion as per his politics. He has used his caste and violence for politics. He has nothing else to offer. Lalu is seen the whole over the country as someone who uses caste and religion for politics. I think he is doing what he does best. It is decadence.
Because
it is moral decadence of Nitish Kumar.
You are in moral decadence of
Nitish Kumar.
You are angry with Lalu Prasad because successfully Lalu Yadav has.
Lalu is a convict. Lalu is a rogue.
No, I don't
agree with you.
I don't agree with you.
Lalu is a convict.
Lalu Prasad has successfully putted out Narendra Modi, the man who is perpetrator of humanity.
He's a corrupt, casteist and a criminal guy. People of Bihar had no expectations from him. It's the metamorphosis of Nitish Kumar.
Booted out Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi's aura has been
needs to be exposed
by Lalu Prasad.
Lalu is corrupt. Lalu is a criminal. Lalu is a corrupt person. The whole country knows this. Even Bihar knows this.
He is a racial discriminator.
Nobody listen.
Narendra Modi is a racial discriminator.
Lalu is a convict.
He is
Lalu not a
enemy
convict?
of humanity.
Has Lalu not been convicted by a court
enemy
of
of
law?
humanity. Why you are accusing Lalu Prasad? Lalu
He's the
Prasad,
enemy of RJD.
only
We
fault
know
is
you
that
don't like him.
Lalu Prasad
You don't
has
like the
successfully
BJP.
put
But why are you?
Narendra Modi out of Bihar.
But why are you wreaking vengeance on people of Bihar? Why are you letting loose criminals into Bihar society?
I'm just surprised, Mr. Nikhil Mandal. Mr. Mandal, can you hear me?
No.
Mr.
You are mistaken like anything.
Mr. Mandal.
You are misinterpreting the thing.
Mr. Mandal.
You are misinterpreting the thing.
Mr. Mandal.
Yes, I can hear you.
Like that. You come to Bihar and everything is very fine here.
Mr. Mandal, आप हैं ना वहाँ पे? आप हैं तो वहाँ पे ना?
मैं हूँ तो
मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ। मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ निखिल मंडल जी, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है कि आज के प्रोग्राम में भी that you have to take RJD's permission to speak.
There is no question of taking permission.
Nikhil Mandal, what happened in May 2016, I want Vikram Singh to come in on this, is the brutal murder of a journalist in Bihar who wrote against a criminal called Mohammad Shahabuddin. Okay? Today, Nitish Kumar speaks all over the world and he goes around India talking about intolerance in India, how voices of dissent are being silenced. He shows solidarity, he does all the award Wapsi brigade, etc. He doesn't speak one word when the murder of a journalist is going around on the streets. He doesn't have the courage, the guts, the spine. हिम्मत नहीं है उनमें कि कुछ बोले वहां पे शाहबुद्दीन के खिलाफ कि लालू प्रसाद अपसेट हो जाएंगे. I mean, this is the greatest, the murder. No, 1 second. You speak about assuaging the fears of.
Why you are trying to show that Lalu Prasad is embodiment of a criminality? No, Arnav, I have one objection. You don't try to point at anybody in very bad shape. I will ask this BJP person not to defy anybody, and he should talk in respectful manner to Lalu Prasad. Otherwise, when we will start abusing Lalu Prasad, I will start abusing.
Your leader has even not spared the animals. चारा घोटाला किसके नाम पर है? This is the height of corruption.
You are a fool. Rakesh Sinha, you are a fool. Rakesh Sinha, you are a fool.
Who is considering you leader?
Rakesh Sinha, you are a fool.
Mr. Sinha, you are comparing yourself with Shahabuddin.
Rakesh Sinha, you are a fool.
Shahabuddin, and you consider Lalu Yadav as supreme leader.
You are a fool.
Don't take name of Gujarat. Don't take name of Narendra Modi. You don't have moral guts to take name of Narendra Modi and Gujarat. And Arnav, my one more question to Awad Bapsi group. Where are these people? Where are the Awad Bapsi intolerance? There is no intolerance in Bihar. There is no Chandrabad in Bihar. Where is the Swat Bajpayee? Where is his group?
You should have shame on it. Shame on you. You don't know about that case. You are not aware of it. No. I will not allow you to speak. You are a fool. You are a liar. No, listen to me. Listen to me. Don't try to pick up this thing from there and that thing from there.
Bihar is modern state with medieval rule. There is a modern state, but medieval rule. It is a medieval state.
Rakesh Sinha, please listen to me. Listen to me. You are not telling the fact. By just sitting on Times Now, you will spread rumors. No, we will not allow you. We will not allow you.
Bihar wants development. And Nitish Kumar is declaring Sangh-Mukt Bihar. Sangh-Mukt Bharat. He is making Bihar.
You are jittery of Lalu Prasad. He has
Mukt Bihar. Mukt Bihar. Only Mukt Bihar.
You don't know the case. And why are you talking so loudly about anything when you are not aware about China?
Okay, 1 second. Sir, 1 second. Mr. Ashok Sinha only, please. I want to speak to him. Mr. Ashok Sinha, I'm asking you as a journalist. Mr. Ashok Sinha.
Just by sitting on Times Now, you will spread rumor. You are a fool then. You are not aware with the Chara Ghotala case. And Lalu Prasad
your shouting does not prove that Nitish Kumar is clean. Lalu Yadav is clean. Both are leaders of the same breed.
What are you talking?
Nitish and Lalu belong to same breed. Same breed of corruption.
And you are Narendra Modi. And what about Narendra Modi? And Amit Shah, you have made Narendra.
What about Narendra Modi? Here is the discussion of Bihar. Here is the discussion of administration of Bihar. Shahabuddin is the Daud of Bihar.
No.
You are Common man.
I want to ask a question here. Only me with Ashok Sinha. I want to ask you a question. Only if you stop. Now you're attacking everybody. You are calling your political rival fools on Newsa. This is not the way, sir. Please listen to me. Just calm down first of all.
Why does he abuse Lalu Prasad? He should not abuse Lalu Prasad.
Questioning is not abusing. It's all right. Now calm down.
Try to restrain him. Try to restrain him.
No.
Try to restrain Rakesh Sinha as well as Narasimha Rao. Otherwise, we will talk like that because they are those type of people who will understand this.
You are showing a
very low morality. You are showing very low political morality. India has not witnessed.
Rakesh Sinha, don't teach me. Don't teach me. You go and teach RSS people. You go and teach RSS people. You can't teach me.
Okay. See the rowdyism on television, and the JDU spokesperson cannot even open his mouth. Look at the terror of RJD. RJD is terrorizing their own guests. JDU guest sitting next to him, and he's showing rowdyism on display.
Nikhil Mandal, you can ask him for permission.
And if one person says, another will naturally comply with it.
And don't think that Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav is separate.
They are same person. Don't be mistaken. If BJP thinks that they will split us, they are mistaken like anything. Okay. They are angry with Lalu Prasad Yadav because Lalu Prasad Yadav has successfully driven away
because you are pursuing criminalization.
Okay,
because you wanted to take because you have taken Bihar back to Jungle Raj. We are certainly angry with you.
Who tells?
People of Bihar are angry with JDU, RJD. Because you have shown that you could bring back Jungle Raj in a few weeks' time.
Sir, the fact is,
in the last 2 years,
Ashok Sinha, I have a complete capacity to shout back, if you will, and if I want to, I'll shout back to you till I silence you. I request you to wait and listen to others also, please. Ashok Sinha, this is my sincere request to you. Sincere request to you.
Yes, but
thank you. Now 1 minute. Now 1 minute. Now I'll tell you the definition of Jungle Raj. You're very sensitive on the subject of Jungle Raj. Now remember what is Jungle Raj. There is a killer of journalists called Bunty and there is a killer of people called Shahabuddin whose favorite pastime is taking a bucket of acid and throwing it on the heads of people and burning people alive and macabre things like that. Inhuman things this man has done, Shahabuddin. I feel sorry for you that you have to do business with him to survive in politics. I feel sorry for Lalu and I feel even more sorry for Nitish that they have to compromise with murderers and rapists and killers and abductors and lawbreakers to stay in power. I personally believe it is better to be out of power than to compromise your ethics and your morality till this point, but I don't give advice to politicians. But I'll tell you what is Jungle Raj, Vikram Singh. This man, Bunty, the killer of the journalist, being spotted on the streets of Siwan, walking alongside Shahabuddin and not getting arrested, is like Dawood Ibrahim walking freely on the streets of Mumbai without being arrested. It is like Charles Sobraj being spotted on the streets of Goa and not being arrested. It is like Chota Shakil or Bada Rajan frequenting the streets of Mumbai and not being arrested. You understand what I'm saying? It's like Syed Salahuddin being spotted in Srinagar and not being arrested. It's like Abu Salem being caught on the streets of Mumbai and not being arrested. So don't shout here. Shouting is not going to improve things.
I don't know.
Correct.
And Ashok Sinha, remember, I'm asking you, the man is a killer of journalists. And Siwan is the backyard of Lalu Prasad Yadav. Don't let me tell you the political history of Lalu or of Siwan. You know that. Now, let Vikram Singh come in. Vikram Singh. Sorry, Vikram Singh is going to speak now. Vikram Singh is going to speak now.
In the last 10 years.
Come on. Don't lecture me.
Sahabuddin was behind prison. In the last 10 years.
Vikram Singh is speaking.
Please, now let us discuss about criminal law.
We got
let us discuss of criminal law as well.
Was it contribution of Sahabuddin?
Listen to Vikram Singh.
Was it contribution of Sahabuddin?
Listen to Vikram Singh. Listen to
now
Vikram
please listen.
Singh.
We have been beating around the bush for a very long time without coming to the point.
Now, if there is a seat or a crown for India's most wanted, the most befitting person to get that is Shahabuddin, not even by Bihar standards, by all India. And I don't know why in such a cavalier manner everybody has paved his way for his bail instead of ensuring his trial in the fast track court and getting his convictions. Your political compulsions ensured that you give him a fast track bail. Jungle Raj is a euphemism for some kind of even a remote semblance of law. But here it is mayhem and orgy of violence and bloodbath that would put even Jungle Raj to shame. The most upright police officer of Bihar, DG Ojha, had given a 100-page report about this man and his nexus with the ISI and the Kashmiri militants and his import of AK-47 series weapons. And that was relegated to the background. May I suggest that you issue and make that white paper on Shahabuddin public, his history sheeter. I remember in 2001, a posse of policemen had gone from Varanasi, UP, and there, instead of the border meeting, there was an attack on the Bihar police by Shahabuddin. 2 policemen and 10 people were killed.
And Ashok Sinha,
that attack also, it was the UP police along with the Bihar police who took on Shahabuddin. I don't know what your compulsions are. And the cavalier manner in which you have addressed it, you have brought shame to law and order and the police.
Listen, Ashok Sinha. No, Ashok Sinha. Now I'm going to ask you something. You listen to me. I heard you there. Enough.
Yeah.
The point of the matter is this. The fact of the matter is the presence of Bunty. Let me ask you and let the viewers judge whether you're right or I'm right on this one. Let's put the pictures in the middle. I want to take on the RJD spokesperson tonight, who's gone ahead and accused us of being liars. We are not liars, sir. You're incompetent. The fact of the matter is that the presence of Bunty next to Shahabuddin only strengthens the case against the bail for Shahabuddin, and therefore it is pertinent to ask why you haven't yet appealed in the Supreme Court against Shahabuddin's bail. No point shouting. You don't have the guts to appeal against Shahabuddin's bail. You just know how to shout on news. Ashok Sinha. And I have not finished with you, Ashok Sinha. Asha Ranjan, I have not finished with you. Asha Ranjan, wife of journalist Rajdev Ranjan, has alleged that her husband was on the hit list of Shahabuddin. Has she said that or not? Has she said, my husband, the journalist, was on the hit list of Shahabuddin? You tell the viewers of News Hour tonight.
For that.
Has she said my husband, the journalist, was on Shahabuddin's his list? Answer me. Answer me now. Answer me now. Stop arguing about the CBI. You answer me now. You answer me now. You answer me now. Did the journalist's wife say that my husband is on Shahabuddin's hit list? Answer me. I'm not going to let you get away. Answer me.
No.
What do you mean no?
We have recommended his case to be investigated by CBI.
Have you said take the case to the Supreme Court? Have you said take the case to the Supreme Court? Have you appealed in the case against the Supreme Court? Have you appealed in the Supreme Court against the case? Answer my question. I'm not going to let you get away. आपने Supreme Court में challenge किया है क्या केस को? आपने चैलेंज किया है? आपने चैलेंज किया कि नहीं? जवाब दीजिए. आपने चैलेंज की है कि नहीं? जवाब दीजिए.
हाँ, सीबीआई को हमने केस रिकमेंड कर दिया.
सीबीआई चारा घोटाले में तो सीबीआई पर कोई फेथ नहीं थी आपको. आज सीबीआई का नाम लेके आप दुहाई दे रहे हैं. आप बताइए सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस के खिलाफ अपील करेंगे कि नहीं?
इनके सुशील मोदी ने मांगा.
मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ, चीज को पॉलिटिसाइज करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए. पॉलिटिसाइज करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए. निखिल मंडल, now let me deal with you. Since you finally found your voice, one second. You think I'm going to listen to this rubbish and let you get away? Understand, the wife of the journalist has said that Shahabuddin had put my husband on the hit list. Shahabuddin is still not named in the case. I want to ask you, how do you people sleep quietly and peacefully? The wife is saying my husband, the journalist, was on Shahabuddin's hit list. You have not named Shahabuddin in the case. Now Bunty, who's an accused in this case, has been found welcoming Shahabuddin. Why don't you move to cancel Shahabuddin's bail, citing the fact that there could be evidence against him in the murder of the journalist?
I am not judiciary.
No, you are not judiciary. You are not law. What are you?
Bihar state government. How
What are you? You tell me, Nikhil, tell me. Should an absconding accused in the murder of a journalist be mingling freely with Shahabuddin not warrant a cancellation of the bail for the latter, given that his own role comes under scrutiny?
Exactly.
No, exactly. Then why don't you cancel the bail and put him back in jail? If exactly. Go tell Nitish Kumar, exactly, Mr. Nitish Kumar, you should be doing this.
He will do it.
Yes, Ashok Sinha. I now come back to Ashok Sinha.
Yes.
I want to deal with you also, Ashok Sinha. 1 minute, wait. Ashok Sinha, listen to me. Given Ashok Sinha, now listen to me. Third point. Ashok Sinha, I am speaking now. I heard you, now listen to me. Given that another prime accused in the Rajdev Ranjan case, Lallan Mia, is also known to be a close aide of Shahabuddin, doesn't it make a compelling case for you to move to cancel Shahabuddin's bail?
Just to show impartiality of the investigation.
Oh my God, impartiality. GVL's back on the debate. MR is back on the debate. No answers tonight. GVL.
Why don't you ask Narendra Modi?
You will let anybody kill anybody and get away with it, and I'm going to just listen to this rubbish.
What is impartiality?
Come on. CBI to take up the case.
Come on.
It as soon as possible.
Come on, Ashok Sinha. Ashok Sinha, come on. Come on, answer. Lalu is protecting Shahabuddin. Lalu is protecting a killer. Lalu is protecting murderers. Answer it tonight.
Lalu Prasad
Answer it.
No need of it. Arnab, there is no need of it.
Twisted Nitish Kumar not to let any
You people hide behind secularism.
Arnab Goswami, without Shahabuddin, we came from 22 to 8.
I forget your politics. I don't care about your politics. I care about murderers being protected by politicians. I don't care about your politics.
So you people are protecting.
Which you people? What do you mean you people? I'm asking you, who's you people? You people, what are you people? You politicians? You answer me today, Ashok Sinha. Isn't it time you have the guts? You ask one question. Ask openly. Did Shahabuddin order a hit, a supari against the journalist who wrote against him or not? A journalist writes against a politician, you get him murdered and you protect the
politician. You are not aware.
Pardon me?
Yes, I will answer it.
Did Shahabuddin order give a supari? Did Shahabuddin order a hit against the journalist? Answer my question. Did Shahabuddin through Lallan Mia ask for the journalist to be murdered or not? Answer me, Ashok Sinha. Did Shahabuddin ask Lallan Mia to kill the journalist or not? Answer me. Answer me now.
You know it better.
You want you to answer. I know he did. What do you mean you know it better?
During our regime, a raid was conducted on his house in 2003.
Not one answer to specific questions.
Ransacked the house.
GVL Narasimha, Rakesh Sinha, back on the debate tonight.
Took him to Advani.
And Ashok Sinha is a spokesperson of Jangal Raj. He is not the spokesperson of RJD or JDU. It is a collectively they are giving Bihar Jangal Raj, and Ashok Sinha has any morality, he should say to the people, to the viewers of Times Now, what is the accountability of the public prosecutor? What did he do in the court? When he said that there was no trial in the last 13 months, there is no future for the trial, and the judge was, an honorable judge was compelled to give him bail. Why didn't Nitish Kumar move to the Supreme Court? Why did he move to the Supreme Court against his judgments? Nitish Kumar can't do that because he is a man power hungry. He broke the alliance with BJP on his question of ego. He has dragged the Bihar in Jangal Raj and Ashok Sinha. Kindly don't show to the viewers that you are the person belonging to Shahabuddin. You are supporting Shahabuddin. You go Siwan and see the people, how people are feeling. That poor parents, they are helpless. They are looking Nitish Kumar, that Nitish Kumar come and we will support, the state will support. What the message you are going to give the Bihar?
This is what shows your...
This is your morality. This is the Jangal Raj Dharma. Both Nitish and Lalu are maintaining.
You are power hungry.
Okay.
One has to rule their hungry. Other has to rule Bihar. He has a daydreaming of becoming Prime Minister.
Why you are putting your words in my mouth?
Congress, RJD and JDU, entire secular parties have been exposed on this model. This is the alternative model they are going to give against Narendra Modi.
This is monologue.
This
No, we are not interested in your monologue. We have promoted enough of nuisance
He is
of
making
Modi.
Bihar
We have
law and order
promoted
Mukti
enough
Bihar.
nuisance of Modi. We can't tolerate
Don't
nuisance
shout
of people
Ashok
like you.
Sinha. Ashok Sinha, please kindly withdraw from
Are
debate.
you not? Are you
No
not?
JDU
Are you not a
spokesperson is
spokesperson of
speaking on behalf of
communists?
Nitish Kumar.
Are you not a spokesperson of communists? Are you
All
not a
left parties
spokesperson of
and I
who
am
are
surprised.
anti-Muslim?
The intellectuals in Delhi who are shouting on murders in Karnataka, on Akhlaq, now they are silent. This Shahabuddin is allegedly killer of Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar was a state leader, ISA, All India
GVL.
in JNU. He was elected president.
GVL on the left. GVL.
No statement from
On the 14th of May this year.
Kanhaiya Kumar.
On the 14th of May this year, Rakesh Sinha, I would like Nikhil Mandal, आप हैं वहाँ पे?
Yes, I can hear you.
निखिल मंडल आप हैं कि आपको मौका नहीं मिल रहा है?
बिल्कुल नो।
मुझे कभी-कभी लग रहा है आजकल,
कहाँ से सुन पाऊंगा?
नहीं मुझे लग रहा है कि आजकल जैसे आपके सरकार में चल रहा है ना, जैसे आजकल लालू का चलता है, नीतीश का नहीं चलता है, वैसे आपके डिबेट में भी आप
ग्रोथ इतना ज्यादा है।
अच्छा, नाउ माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज,
ये तो परसेप्शन आप बना रहे हो अबाउट ऑल दिस।
अच्छा मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ। On 16th May, Nitish Kumar said there is no jungle Raj in Bihar. He said there is Kanun ka Raj. Okay. On 14th May, Nikhil Mandal, 14th May this year, Ajay Alok, spokesperson of JDU, came on News Hour. And he said to me that the killers of the journalist will be caught within 48 hours, which means 2 days. 122 days have passed. Instead of being caught, the killers are out there, openly roaming around with another killer called Shahabuddin, welcoming each other, hanging around like around Bhagalpur jail like they are on a picnic.
No, Arnab.
No, that is a fact. What do you mean no?
Already been caught.
What do you mean no? What do you mean?
All are in jail.
Really?
6
Bunty is
people
in
have
jail?
already in court.
No, Bunty is in jail.
No.
Bunty is in
Bunty
jail.
is absconding.
Why? No, he's not absconding.
He will be
One
arrested
second.
soon.
1 minute.
He will be arrested.
When is he absconding? He is there.
Nikhil, MR is on the debate. I don't know
Don't
the
say he's
definition of
absconding.
MR.
Don't say he's absconding. You know what is the meaning of absconding?
No, he is absconding.
निखिल जी, absconding का मतलब क्या है? लापता है. जो अभी भागलपुर के जेल के बाहर है, उसको आप कैसे लापता बोल सकते हैं? देखिए, लापता है तो आप कैसा बताएंगे कि वो भागलपुर के जेल के बाहर
बिल्कुल लापता है, पुलिस इज ट्राइंग।
कहां से लापता है? अरे सर, अरे क्या पुलिस नहीं कर रही है? अरे कैसे लगातार कोशिश हो रही है सर? अरे सर, ये सब नहीं हो रहा है। ये देखिए, हम लोग इतने बेवकूफ नहीं है कि आप जो कुछ भी बोलेंगे हम समझ जाएंगे और आप जो कुछ भी बोलेंगे उसको हम खा जाएंगे। इतना no, please listen. No, please listen to me. That the person was available outside the jail and he was welcoming a well-known criminal, and yet the police was looking at the other way and not even cognizing the fact that he was present there. Now this is because Lalu had instructed Nitish that he should not interfere.
I will interrupt you. This is not a fact.
It is a command performance of Nitish. It is a command performance of Nitish. Now that he has become a Katputli, समझते हैं? कठपुतली समझते हैं? आपको इतनी हिंदी आती होगी? कठपुतली है। सर, लालू जी उनको कठपुतली जैसे नचा रहे हैं और कठपुतली जैसे नाच रहे हैं। अरे सर, ये तो लालू प्रसाद ने उनको कठपुतली बना दिया है। अरे कठपुतली बनाकर नचा रहे हैं, उंगली पर नचा रहे हैं, चिल्लाइए, बट वही हो रहा है दैट उनको कठपुतली बनाकर इतने बेशरम बना दिए हैं। अरे सर, इतना बेशरम बना दिए हैं। अरे अभी इतना उनका बेइज्जती हो रही है, आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं। That Nitish has become completely shameless.
He will not.
And I will tell you that it is impossible to shame him. You cannot shame the shameless now. Please understand this. Please understand, you cannot shame the shameless. Nitish is so driven by his lust for power that he doesn't know what is his constitutional mandate. And that he is now dancing to the tunes of Lalu Prasad Yadav, that he is making a command performance, that he is instructing his police to be oblivious to the fact that here is a criminal who is welcoming who is a fugitive who is welcoming a criminal.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, interesting. One second, 1 minute, 1 minute, I have an announcement to make. I have an announcement to make. I have an announcement. I have an announcement to make. I have an announcement. Ashok Sinha. Ashok Sinha, you are accusing everyone of lying. Accusing everyone of lying. I have an announcement to make.
Who has told that
I have an announcement to make. I have an announcement to make. Ajay Alok is spokesperson of JDU. I quoted him.
Does he have
I just said, I quoted him. He's called in. He's watching NewsHour. I'm happy that spokespersons of the JDU, even when they are not on the program, are watching NewsHour. Ajay Alok, I quoted him as saying that he said on the 14th of May 2016 that no matter who the criminals are, the government is determined to hunt them down within 48 hours. He wants to clarify. I don't know whether he wants to do a U-turn. You want to do a U-turn, Ajay?
Arnab Goswami, I have never gone for a U-turn.
Right.
And let me tell you, your reporters have not done again their homework very nicely. Because go and check the FIR, who all are the prime accused there. And all the prime accused, like what Nikhil Mandal said, they are all behind bars. And this Bunty, what you are referring to, he's one of the accomplices who helped him.
Okay. So, he's a what Bunty? Just a minute. No, 1 minute. Just a minute. You are actually, you are calling in. I don't understand. MR is laughing. One second. Are you, Ajay, listen. Are you calling in? Are you actually calling in as a ruling party spokesperson to defend a murder accomplice?
No, not at all.
I mean, then I have nothing to say.
I want to say this on your channel that you are discussing Shahabuddin. Then what do you expect? Who to stand next to Shahabuddin? Some scholar like M.V. Venkatesh or Akeshna or some Bunty? We expect that.
Obviously no way.
Shahabuddin is not a category that the police were sounding him. He has just got a bail like a criminal. There was no police personnel around, and that's why that killer could not be nabbed. But that accomplice will be nabbed very soon. Wait for again, I'm telling you. Again, wait for 48 to 72 hours, Arnab Goswami. I'm saying it again. That Bunty will be there behind the bars.
So tell me, Mr. Ajay Alok,
people and all your listeners,
Mr. Alok,
Nitish Kumar is the last person to compromise on the matter of law and order. सरकार रहे चाहे जाए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
अच्छा अजय आलोक, बात सुनिए, आप भी अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं कि हर बार कोई क्रिमिनल का फोटो न्यूज़आवर पे आएगा, उसके बाद अरेस्ट होंगे, तब तक खुलेआम में घूमते रहेंगे. और ये बिहार में आजकल एब्सकॉन्डिंग का डेफिनेशन ये है. आप उनको कैरेक्टर
बचेगा नहीं. हमें सरकार चलाने की चिंता नहीं है. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर
कब पकड़ेंगे?
ये हमारी यूएसपी है.
नहीं मगर आप लोग लालू से डरते हैं ना, इसलिए आपको.
लालू किसी से कोई डरता नहीं है. गठबंधन
आप लालू से नहीं डरते हैं?
चल रहा है. अगर लालू जी से डरते होते तो 3 दिन में जितना
आप नहीं डरते हैं. सवाल है आपको. GVL is saying something. GVL, let's go ahead. GVL, what is it? GVL, go.
No, I want Ajay Alok to answer as to why for 3 years High Court notices have not been served on Shahabuddin who was in jail. Why was the trial not commenced in so many cases? Why is the... No, can I finish? Why is the trial... Why has the trial not begun? Why has the trial not begun in the case of the third brother's murder, which the High Court has demanded 8 months ago?
Hey, listen, Ajay, listen, 1 second. Ajay, listen. Ajay, 1 minute. Ajay, listen to me. Ajay, 1 minute, listen to me. Ajay, I want to ask you just one question. Okay, by the way, appreciate, you're sitting at home and watching NewsHour and you called and I appreciate that. I have an elephant's memory when it comes to these things. On 16th of May, Nitish Kumar, you call Nitish Kumar right now, Ajay Alok, and I tell him Arnab is saying this. He did a press conference and he said, I'm handing over the case to the CBI. And he said, I take the attack on the journalist and the killing of a journalist as an attack on me. 69,000 policemen have not touched Bunty. He was an absconding accused in the murder. Check your facts. For 122 days. So much for this being an attack on Nitish. Now, if he thinks it's an attack on Nitish, I am asking you on national television that please tell me. I will extend the program right now. I will not stop the program. Call up Nitish Kumar and ask him that I'm asking you whether Nitish Kumar, you have the guts to challenge the acquittal of Shahabuddin in the Supreme Court?
Oh, do you think we are not going to do that? Do you really?
Are you going to do that?
Do you really think so? We are not?
I don't know. I'm asking you, sir. I've been asking the question since yesterday. You tell me. Don't ask me rhetorical questions. Do you think? You tell me. Are you going to appeal? Are you going to appeal? Listen, specific question, specific answer. Ajay, listen. Ajay, listen. Ajay, specific question, specific answer. My question is very specific. I'm wording it very carefully.
Yes.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Yes.
Listen to me.
Yes.
Listen to me. Shahabuddin is out on bail. Will you appeal in the Supreme Court against Shahabuddin's bail?
Yes. We appeal about everyone where we are not convinced that the bail has been granted on a false ground.
Listen, I'm taking this as official. I'm taking this as an official statement. Listen, मुझे सरकार की जनरल पॉलिसी मत कीजिए. आप फिर से आप वो पतली गली से निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सुनिए मेरी बात. मैं आपसे सवाल सीधी तरह से पूछ रहा हूं. Are you appealing in the Supreme Court against Shahabuddin's bail?
सुनिए मेरी जवाब. मैं कह रहा हूं हाँ. क्योंकि शहाबुद्दीन नहीं, उनके जैसे कोई भी लोग रहेंगे जहां पे सरकार कन्विंस नहीं रहती है कि बेल ठीक से नहीं मिला है, ये बेल नहीं होना चाहिए, वहां हम अपील में जरूर जाते हैं. और ये एक रेगुलर न्यायिक प्रोसेस है जो बिहार में पिछले 11 साल से
अभी तक तो मैंने नहीं देखा ना.
बीजेपी के दोस्तों को बता दीजिए कि हम तो न्यायिक प्रोसेस फॉलो कर रहे हैं, जरा अपने राजनीतिक प्रोसेस फॉलो करवा ले जो यहाँ ज्ञान.
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज. JDU says it's appealing against Shahabuddin's bail.
चल रहा था.
Breaking news on air. I have the JDU spokesperson on record saying Nitish Kumar is going to appeal in the Supreme Court against Shahabuddin's bail. If this is true, then I congratulate you for taking that position. If it is not true, however, and you want to slip out of this later by giving a technical explanation, remember the people of this country will not forgive you or your leader or your party for the U-turn. Remember that. Remember that, Ajay Alok.
On your debate, I have all the courage and responsibility to own my words.
आपने सुना अशोक सिन्हा सुना आपने? जहाँ शहाबुद्दीन वापस जेल जाएंगे. शहाबुद्दीन जेल जाएंगे. शहाबुद्दीन जेल जाएंगे. सुन लीजिए, अपील होगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट में. नहीं, I want to hear अशोक सिन्हा. अजय आलोक लाइन पे रहिए. अजय आलोक लाइन पे रहिए. अजय आलोक लाइन पे रहिए. अशोक सिन्हा बहुत उत्तेजित हो रहे हैं आप. सुनिए अशोक सिन्हा. सुनिए अशोक सिन्हा सुनिए मेरी बात. मैंने अजय आलोक के मुंह में ये शब्द खुद से नहीं डाले. मैंने सवाल पूछा. उन्होंने कहा कि शहाबुद्दीन जैसे लोग, वो कह नहीं रहे हैं, जैसे वो कहना चाहते हैं माफिया लोग, गुंडा लोग, हुलिगन लोग, मर्डरर लोग, कॉन्विक्ट लोग, शहाबुद्दीन जैसे लोगों को जेल में होना चाहिए.
टाइप के लोग,
वो उनके
बीजेपी टाइप के लोग हैं. आप क्यों नहीं क्लियर करते हैं?
उन्होंने कहा हम अपील करेंगे.
JDU गवर्नमेंट
आप कांग्रेचुलेट कीजिए अजय आलोक को.
बचेंगे यहाँ.
आप बधाई दीजिए अजय आलोक को. आप बधाई दीजिए अजय आलोक को. आप अजय आलोक को बधाई दीजिए टेलीविजन पर. आप बधाई दीजिए उनको. आप बधाई दीजिए अजय आलोक को कि नीतीश कुमार शहाबुद्दीन के खिलाफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाने वाले हैं.
Why you have any apprehension about it? We will not only congratulate, but we will have party over it. This is from national channel.
Not only for
Rule of law will prevail in Bihar. This is not Gujarat.
For the last 11 years, it's not only for Shahabuddin. We are looking for any XYZ.
You never highlight anything
for any XYZ in future also.
I don't talk about XYZ. I'm talking about this fellow Lallan Mia.
A Dengu patient was raped 3 days back.
Ajay,
what happened to that?
Ajay, you could have said this yesterday. Now I think
we believe in policy.
No, you agree. You should surrender today.
Ashok Sinha, you've been caught on the wrong foot today. Now tell me, does Lalu Prasad also believe that this mafia don, this gunda, Shahabuddin should go back to jail instead of being out on bail? He's a menace to society. He cannot live among civilized people. An acid killer.
The rule of law is
an acid killer.
Even if anybody, including you, will commit any sort of thing, he will not be let go. The rule is for everybody. Law is for everybody.
Let me clear one thing, Arnav.
It's all right, sir. Go ahead. Clarify. It's time for clarifications.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैं एक चीज कहना चाहता हूं। जिस केस की बात हो रही है और जिस सपोर्ट जो आप लोग एलिगेशन लगा रहे हो कि लालू प्रसाद जी कहीं ना कहीं सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आई वांट टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट अजय आलोक बात कर रहे हैं जिसमें नहीं मैं कह रहा हूं अजय आलोक को मैं आज बधाई देता हूं, 1 मिनट, अब बधाई देता हूं कि वो न्यूज़ार में आके उन्होंने कहा, अजय आलोक ने कहा कि शहाबुद्दीन जैसे जो मर्डरर गुंडा वैसे व्यक्ति हैं उन सब के खिलाफ और स्पेसिफिकली उनके खिलाफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बेल के खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी और बिहार सरकार उनके खिलाफ अपील करेगी। मैं बधाई देता हूं आपको अजय आलोक। अशोक सिन्हा रिकंसाइल कर लीजिए।
शहाबुद्दीन ही नहीं, anyone, any place, any XY।
नहीं, मैं आपको आई एम टेलिंग यू अजय, listen, Ajay, you are well aware. Ajay, you are well aware. You are well aware that since yesterday I've been highlighting the inconsistencies between the position of Nitish Kumar in the Shahabuddin case earlier when he was in alliance with the BJP and now. And I said yesterday on the program, Ajay, just give me 30 seconds. I said yesterday on the program that Nitish Kumar must be feeling mighty uncomfortable to be compromising himself to this position. I don't think, Ajay Alok, that you have called in on Newsar Live and said that the bail will be appealed without taking permission from Nitish Kumar in saying so, or reading his mind. To that extent,
procedure. It happens in.
No, I am not talking. I am asking you specific question, not known procedure. If you want to hide behind known procedure because you don't want to upset, but remember, this is about known procedure. This is about putting a dangerous man in jail. It's a serious business. There's nothing procedural or normal about it, Ajay. If you're doing it, believe in what you're doing. Put out the best lawyers, and I believe you, the Supreme Court in its wisdom will put the man back in jail where he belongs. He does not belong in civilized society. Ashok Sinha, chilaiye mat. Please mat chilaiye.
Yes.
Ashok Sinha, mere pe mat chilaiye.
Why Shahabuddin is... No, but don't consider that line. Without Shahabuddin, we went from 22 to 80. Are you aware?
Vikram Singh, I think it's about rule of law. Vikram Singh, I'm glad at the end of the day the politicians are seeing some reason. Yes, Vikram Singh. Vikram Singh, I'll end with you, GVL. Vikram Singh, what do you think?
Arnav, let me tell you that apart from politics, there are certain things. What Mr. Alok has said is reassuring.
Yes, it is.
15 days, let's see that.
I'm sorry, I'm losing the line out there, but I completely agree with him there. Now GVL, sorry, I've got a bad line there. I've got a bad line with you, but GVL, you must compliment the JDU if it's actually going against its own ally and proceeding to challenge the bail in this case. Forget political difference.
Come on, Arnav. No, come on. Let's not give them this sort of undue compliment. I think they made it sure that Shahabuddin got bail in the first place. 3 years they did nothing except allowing him to get bail. Now, if he is saying as a common procedure we will approach, people of Bihar will not have any trust in it. They must invoke Crime Control Act under which he can be arrested and put back into jail. Tomorrow morning. What is it?
One sec. Ajay Alok is saying something to you. Ajay Alok, one sec. Ajay, what are you responding?
You constitutionally allow him to
GVL, Ajay is responding.
With us, we had made it mandatory that this is a common procedure. That if we don't, that the state government and administration is not satisfied with the bail of any convict, we will appeal against High Court and in the Supreme Court subsequently. And it is being done in Bihar for the last 11 years. And let me tell you, till the time Nitish Kumar remains in the seat of the power, this procedure will follow.
Why can you not invoke Crime Control Act?
Well. Go and read.
He is not a normal criminal.
Go and read some law before giving us advice.
40-50 cases.
निखिल मंडल वहां पे आपके सामने वकील नहीं अधिवक्ता है, बताएंगे कैसे बिना होमवर्क किए हुए आप लोग चैनल पे आते हैं बोलने के लिए, सिर्फ बोलना है।
नहीं, बहुत आपने 3 साल से होमवर्क करके उनको बेल दिया है ना, आपने लालू जी के आदेश को आपने मान लिया। आप क्या प्रोसीजर समझाएंगे अभी हमें?
जैसा कि बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं
आप 3 साल तक आप उनके
Don't shout like
why did you not actually commence the trial? Why did you not commence the trial of Rajiv Roshan murder case? For 9 months ago, High Court has ordered it.
2015, High Court.
No, that's the ground on which he was given bail.
I would say, GVL, listen. GVL, listen. GVL, listen. GVL, listen. GVL.
Shahabuddin was in jail for
GVL, can I say one thing to you? GVL, listen. I'll end by saying one thing. No. Nikhil, I'll just end by saying one thing. GVL, listen. When an ally puts pressure, it's very difficult to actually move in the other direction. You have personal experience of how you are handling the Shiv Sena. I don't want to remind you, you'll have to remember your agony. One second. In many cases, you've not been able to take on the Shiv Sena. GVL, you've not been able to take on the Shiv Sena. You're not able to take on the Akali Dal also.
Yeah, come on, don't compare.
But what do you mean, come on, GVL, listen. My point is that if Nitish Kumar is going to come out, and we are going to hold Ajay Alok to account on this, that if Nitish Kumar is actually going to come out and take on, if required, Lalu to take this to the logical conclusion, not procedure, not just procedure, then it will deserve to be complemental. I'll follow this. And I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.